Hey Salon and Academy Honors, this video is for you. Are you also managing all your basic tasks like inquiries management, student data management, batches management, courses management on notebook with pen? Don't you think this is too hectic to manage? But I have a solution. Easy Software will provide you a particular platform where you can just manage all these tasks under one panel only. Let me show you how. There is a landing page available which we can integrate directly with any of your social media handles like Instagram, Facebook or any other pages where students have option to inquire with you, they can enroll with you for any courses, they can check your current offers. Even in the photo gallery you can just showcase your achievements, and even your students have option to log in their self with the mobile number or email ID with you to check their profile. So basically in their profile they can just check their pending installments, their running courses, even their certificates which you have assigned to them. All the certificates will look like this where their name will automatically mentioned. Okay, so if there is the option available. So there is an inquiry tab available in the software which is directly integrated with the landing page where all the inquiries gonna show you here. Also, if there is a manual inquiries or WhatsApp leads etc., that you can also enter manually here. Even you can just check. So there is an inquiry tab available in the software which is directly integrated with the landing page where all your inquiries gonna show you here just like this. Even if there is any manual inquiries you have, you can just fill these details and enter those inquiries as well. So there is the option available to put the next follow when you just need to follow this lead. Even in the response you can put the response of the lead, and there is the option available to convert this lead. So while converting directly you can just create a bill. Let me just create a bill for you where you can just put any of your customer student name here. So while converting any lead, directly you can create a billing for them. So let me just create a bill for you where you can just enter any of your student name. So if someone is your existing student, automatically details gonna show you like this where you can just fill the details. Here you can just put any of your course name like this, self grooming is there, and this is worth of rupees 10,000. Now there are a lot of students who just spending amounts in installment, right? So there is the option available for installments as well. If student just said you 2,000 I'll pay today and rest of the payment I'll pay with 2 installments. So here is the 8,000 is the pending installment where you can just schedule it in 2 installments. So for example, one installment they will pay on 19th and other installment they will pay on 24th. So like this you can create an installment option. Even there is a 360 view available in our software which will help to know you that history of the students, like how much spending total they have done with you, how many total courses they have taken from you, or even their date of birth or any other special dates you can take so that software can send them some automatic reminders on their special days. So there is the option available to create bill directly, and this bill you can just send to your students on their WhatsApp with SMS, or print also you can give like this. Then all the students data gonna show you here in students tab like this where you can just check all students, complete students, running student, discontinued student, etc. So if you would like to check any profile of any students like running courses, all courses, complete courses, or etc., that you can just check in their profile. Even there is an option available for teachers or training purpose where you can just assign all the trainers and it will show you the availability of your trainers as well, where you can assign any batches or any courses to any teacher under their name. So it will show you the availability of the teacher staff. Also, if you're providing any goodies, any particular material to your students, so there is an inventory tab also available where you can just manage your stock for if students are using any stock, or if you wanted to give any goodies to your students, so that can be also managed in this where you keep a track on that, your available stock, expired stock, or whatsoever the goodies you have provided to your student. Then there is an option available to enter multiple courses from here, batches you can maintain, you can upload photos. Even there is an option available to mark attendance. So biometric also we can integrate directly with the software so that you can take teachers and students attendance simultaneously in the software. So yes, there is mark attendance option also available which we can integrate with any of the biometric machine where you can just take trainers and students by So yes, there is mark attendance option also available where you can just integrate any of your biometric machine and you can take trainers and students biometrics simultaneously. And there is the last option available, report. So where you can also check your daily basic data reports, where you can just check your billing reports, your pending installment data, paid installment data, complete courses, even though attendance reports are also there. So see, isn't it easy to manage under all the work? So see, isn't it so easy to manage all the work under one platform in quick way? Thank you for watching us.